So if the top is 9, the bottom would also be 9 as well. All right. So if the top is 9, the bottom is 9. And which means if we're trying to find the perimeter, where is Madeline? Madeline, are you there? Okay, good. If we're trying to find the perimeter, it will be what? 16, right? 16 plus what? Plus 9 plus what? Now, when you're doing it, you have to order it like this. This will be 6.8. Okay. And then this will be what? 5.5, 5.5, and then this one would be 6.8 again, 6.8. And then we add them. I think that's all. Is that all the sides that we have? Oh, and 119, right? So we got to put 119. So the trick is that if it's a whole number, you have to put it before the decimal point. And then these numbers, just put a 0.0 next to it as a placeholder. All right. 0.0 and 0.0. And so you have to add these, right? And so we have here is 0 plus 0 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8 plus 0. So 8 plus 5 is going to be what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 plus 8, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. It's going to be 21. Put the 1 down and put the 2 up here. We have 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 9 plus 6. Sorry, 17 plus 6, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 plus 5 is 28. 28 plus 6, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 34 plus 9, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. It's going to be 43, so we're going to put the 3 here, and we're going to put the 4 on top. 4 plus 1 is 5. It's going to be what? 53.1. All right, does that make sense? Madeline?
Yes, sir.
So what were you doing wrong that you couldn't get it?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yeah.
After you did this, I thought like right after 5.5 centimeters, right under that, you have to calculate that part too.
Oh, you know what? That's true. That is true. This one as well. So 53.1 is not even the right one because we have to do 5.5. So actually, let's do that. 53.1. I didn't even see that. Good observation. Legacy. So 5.5. So 53.1 plus 5.5, that's going to be 5 plus 1 is what? 6. 5 plus 3 is 8. It's going to be 58.6. So the actual answer is actually 58.6.
That's why I got the wrong answer. Because I did add the 5 point
Oh, you add this
5 centimeters 2 times. Yes,
oh, okay,
sir.
okay. Okay, good. So you are supposed to add this one. Yes, Brayden? You have a question?
Yesterday I put 53.2 and you let me go.
Oh, no, it's actually 53.1 was what I let you all go off of. But I didn't remember to put the 5.5. So the actual answer is actually 58.6. Okay, so I think we're ready. Do y'all understand this? Let me know, please, before I erase this.
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
All right, so that's what we call finding the what? Y'all remember what we call this? Finding the what?
And the perimeter.
Perimeter, good. All right, so let's begin. So we're gonna officially begin. I'm gonna give you all an actual past paper question. So this is coming right from your exam. And let's see how you do with it. So are you ready? We're already recording. So greetings one and all, and welcome to, this has to be what, day number 2, week 1, spring 2025, of our journey together. And it's definitely a delight to have each and every one of you here for this evening's classes. Let's begin. So let's head up. My name is Mr. Petit. Write this down for me, please. Mr. Petit. Oh, Kylie. Today is what, Tuesday? Tuesday, the 7th of January, 2025. The subject is, of course, mathematics. And the topic is, we're still doing what? Perimeter, right? So let's do that. Perimeter part 2. So let's continue looking at that. In your own words, what do we mean when we say the perimeter of an object? What is that?
The length of a shape
The length of a shape, inside or outside?
outside.
Very good. It's the distance around an object, as we mean by the perimeter. So let's say, for example, we have this shape, and say we have this shape here. We're gonna do it twice, so I'm gonna put it on this side. And let's say, let me fill it with nothing and give it a good outline. Good. So, and let's say that the length is number 1. So the length of a garden, is twice its length. What do you mean its width? The length of a garden is twice its width. The width of the garden is 9 feet. Find the perimeter of the garden. Find the perimeter of the garden. So the length of a garden is twice its width. The width of a garden is 9 feet. Find the perimeter of the garden. So let's say that we have this garden. Let's let me label this. This is going to be, say, 9 feet. Now, I didn't make this question up. This question came literally from your exam. So you were inside your Glat exam, and you see this question, and I'm going to let Lorenda read this question for me, please. Question number 1. Read it for me, Lorenda.
Number 1, the length of a garden is twice its width. The width of the garden is 9 feet. Find the perimeter of the garden.
Very good. So you're inside the exam, and they tell you that the length of this garden is twice its width. But we know that the width is 9 feet. But they want us to figure out what is going to be the perimeter of this garden. So tell me, how are we gonna figure this out? How are we gonna find the perimeter of the garden?
And I
We're gonna
say
say 9 times.
Can I say?
9 times 4.
Go ahead, Legacy, then Trinity.
So do we say 9 times 4?
So Legacy is saying that we have to say 9 times 4. Okay, and what's her name? Trinity, you wanna try?
Jump, 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 jump. I jump, jump. So add 9.
Add 9. Add 9 where?
Add 9 plus 4.
9 plus 4. Okay, she's saying add 9 plus 4.
Can I try?
Go ahead, Brayden.
Add 9 twice and 18 twice.
Why you say 18?
Because the 9 feet doesn't match the top.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Do y'all understand what he's saying? And he's absolutely correct. So they say that you understand that this is a, what shape is this, by the way? Do y'all know what shape this?
Rectangle.
This is a what? Rectangular garden, which means that all of the lengths are not equal. So like I see, you can't just take 9. So you can't just say 9, 9, 9, 9.
Oh, I see. I wasn't reading
Yeah.
the question correct.
So you have to actually, what you have to do is you have to actually figure out what is this side first. So what is going to be the length of this side? If we know that this is 9 feet,
9 feet.
what is going to be the
on
length of
both
this side?
sides.
Yeah. So that means that what?
9 feet.
This side is going to be what?
18.
Wait up. This side is going to be
9.
what? This side is going to be 9 feet. All right.
9 feet.
Okay. Now they tell us that.
Good afternoon, Mr.
Good afternoon. They tell us that the width, right? They say that the width is going to be this highlighted region. They said the width of the garden. I'm sorry. They said the length of the garden rather. So we just determined the width. The length of the garden, which is the longest side. This length is going to be what? Twice what? Twice its width. We know that the width is 9. So in order for us to figure out what the length is going to be, what we're going to do? We're going to say what? Say 9, it's saying the width is 9 feet. So it's going to be twice, 2 times what? 2 times 9, which is going to be what? 18 feet. Okay. So the length of this garden is 18 feet. And so if this is 9 feet, 18 feet, the bottom must also be what? 2 times what? Times 9, which is what? What is 2 times 9?
18.
18 feet. Very good. 18 feet. And so that means that we have, now we could figure out what's the perimeter, right? How are we going to figure out the perimeter? A dial. I want a dial to help me. How are we going to figure out the perimeter now? How do we know all of the sides? How are we going to figure out the perimeter?
I think you have to add all the 18 feet.
Add all of the, only the 18 feet?
And the 9 feet.
And the 9 feet. So remember, what is the perimeter? The perimeter is the what?
Is the perimeter is the, I have to, the perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape.
Very good. So that means that we have to add the 9 and the 18 and the 9 and the 18. And then that's how we're going to get an answer. So add it up and tell me what you'll get for the perimeter. Add it up and tell me what you'll get. Perimeter. So the perimeter perimeter is going to be equal to 9 feet.
Students,
Uh-huh.
I got 54.
About 54, okay.
I got 54 too.
54, y'all add that fast.
I got 54.
I did that in my head.
Wow. 9 feet, 18 feet. So show the working on paper, please. 9 feet, 18 feet, 9 feet. And what else? 18.
I got 54.
54 as well, good.
I said 2 times 18 and 2 times 9, and then I added them both up.
So it's going to be equal to Y'all say 54. Let's add them actually. So it's gonna be 9 plus 18.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
9. Go ahead.
Can I get the charger for my computer, please?
You can. So when we add them, we have 9 plus 8 is what? 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 26 plus 8, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So it's going to be 34. Put the 4 down. Put the 3 up. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So it's definitely 54. 54 feet. All right. Does that make sense to y'all? Let me know if that makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Good. Where is Kylie? Kylie, do you understand how we got our answer?
Yes, sir.
And Madeline, can you explain how we got our answer from top to bottom? How did we get this?
We got our answer by multiplying the width times 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got our answer, which is 2 times 9, which is 18 feet.
Mm-hmm.
So then 9 plus 18 plus 9 plus 18 is 54. So the answer is 54 feet.
Why do we add them? Why do we add them? Because we're trying to find what?
The length of a garden.
Yeah, we're trying to find the perimeter, right? And so that's why we add them.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So let's do another example before we go on to the great exercise. Do another example. And this one,
You send it in the chat, please.
it's still on the same page.
Oh, yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, so number 2. The length of a garden is twice its width. The length of a garden is 8 feet. Find the perimeter. All right, so this is going to be 8 feet. So it says that the length of the garden is twice its width. Find the perimeter of the garden. You all should be able to do number 2 on your own, right? So do that for me. Lorenda, what happened to your camera?
It isn't working.
So what happened to the device that you was using yesterday?
I wasn't here
Uh,
yesterday.
Not yesterday, last semester.
I got an iPad now, so I using that because my laptop broke.
And the iPad that you just got, it doesn't have a camera or what?
The camera isn't working. It isn't cutting on. I guess I have to reset it in my settings.
And this a new, you have to allow it. So you have to allow it to show the camera. But I need to see you. So let your mommy fix that.
Okay. Okay.
And it's not okay. It's either yes or no. So
Yes, Mom. Was I writing this? I can let her do it.
Yeah, that's no problem. So number 2, what we have to do for this one? We
Back,
have
Mr.
to,
Petit, you found the charger.
yeah, so we have to do for this one. We have to, Trinity, what do we have to do in order to get an answer for number 2? What do we have to do?
You have this check with what is the width of the next side?
So if this is 8 feet, what is this gonna be?
8 feet.
8 feet. Very good. All right, so this is 8 feet. And then what else?
Then you have to divide the top by 8.
Will you be dividing it or multiplying?
I mean, we multiply the top by 2.
Very good. So we have 2 times 8. And what does that give us?
16.
Very good. 2 times 18. 2 times 8 rather gives us 16. So it's gonna be 16 feet. Good. And then the bottom.
The bottom will be 16 feet.
As well. Thank you. And Kylie, what are we gonna do in order to get our perimeter?
We have to add 16 plus 8 plus 16 plus 8.
Very good. So you have to add up all the sides. And is anyone who's added them up can tell me what y'all got? Oh, I don't want to done it yet.
I got 48 feet.
I got 40 feet.
40 or 48? What we getting?
40.
40. Okay, interesting. So 8 feet plus 16.
I got 48 feet.
We got 48. That's 16 feet. Plus 8 feet.
Excuse me a second. I got 48 feet.
You got 48. Okay.
I got 48 feet.
Okay. So another person got 48. I can see you now. So we have 8 feet, 16 feet, 8 feet, and 8 feet. So it's gonna be equal to, I'll say 48, right? So the perimeter, I'm sorry, I'm supposed to write this down. So the perimeter. I suppose the right perimeter again at the bottom here. So the perimeter is equal to, and the perimeter here is equal
I got
to,
48.
what was that?
Trinity.
Trinity, 48. So most persons got 48 except for, I think,
I got 40.
who else got 40?
Adaya.
Adaya.
I have 40.
So is it 40 or 48?
I got 40.
48.
All right, so let's check.
I have 40.
Who's saying 40?
Adaya.
Adaya, and who else?
Me. Trinity.
Trinity. Okay.
I got 48.
All right, so we have 8. Who was saying 48?
Me.
Legacy.
Me.
Okay.
Me.
Okay. All right, so we have, let's add them. So we have 8 plus 6, which is what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, well, 14. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And then we have 14 plus 8. That's going to be what? 24. 24 plus 6, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. me do it again. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 8, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Oh, that's 22. 22 plus 6, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. It's going to be 28. Put the 8 down, put the 2 up. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. The answer is 48.
Hooray, I was right.
All right, good. So how you got 40?
I got 40 because I only put 1 8
Only
because I
put
saw
one
you
A.
put 1 8.
Yeah. Wait, because
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
go
I
ahead.
get 40 because I do 16 and then 2 8s.
You didn't add that as 16, or you didn't add the. I guess you did
Because
not.
you only have 116 on the perimeter equal, so I only put 116.
Oh,
But I didn't add the other 8.
oh, okay, that's true. On this, I suppose I have this 8 feet, 16 feet, 8 feet.
Good afternoon, Mr. Petit.
Oh, okay, I see the problem. It's supposed to be 16 here.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead, Braden.
May I use the bathroom, please?
Yes, you can quickly. I keep on telling you this, but this I'm Braden. If you have to use restroom, do it before class. No class start at 4:30.
Excuse me, Mr.
Yes, go ahead.
Can I go get my iPad charger? Put my iPad on charge.
Yes, quickly.
I can get my
Yes.
iPad, please.
Good afternoon, Mr. Petit. Sorry for my lateness. I just reached home from school.
Okay, no problem. That means you have to catch up. Let me send this in the chat for you. Dun, dun, dun. So, do you all understand how to do this before we go on to the great exercise? I don't want
Yes,
to
sir.
tell me that
Yes,
you don't.
sir. I mean, yes, sir. Sorry.
Good. Good, perfect. So, all right, so I'm gonna put this inside the chat. Take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me. via WhatsApp. Again, take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
I add the 16, so I have 48 instead.
You're 48 now. Perfect. Good. All right, so this is what example. We already done with the example. Let's go on to take a picture of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp. That's what I need y'all to do. All right. Then we can move on to great exercise number 1. Great exercise number 1. Thank you, Madeline. And Adaya. Great exercise number 1. And Genesis and so not Genesis, Legacy.
Sir.
All right. It's gonna be number 1. The name of the garden is twice its width. The width of the garden is 7 feet. Find the perimeter of the garden. Let's say it's 6 feet. And finally, number 3. All right. 5 feet. So we have so this is 7 feet. 7 feet. This is 6 feet. 6 feet. And this is 5 feet. 5 feet. All right. Number one, the width of the length of the garden is twice its width. The width of the garden is 7 feet. Find the perimeter of the garden. Number two, the length of the garden is thrice its width. The width of the garden is 6 feet. Find the perimeter of the garden. And finally, the length of the garden is quadruple its width. The width of the garden is 5 feet. Find the perimeter of the garden. So I want you all to do these for me, please. Okay. Madeline, what number are you on right now?
I'm on number 1.
Okay, you understand what to do for this one?
Yes, sir.
Good. And Gianna and Joel, what number you're on?
We're still doing the one in the chat.
So y'all haven't finished written down the notes yet?
Finish with the notes. She just had to finish them.
Okay. Gianna, why are you taking so long on the notes? Where's Gianna?
Pardon?
Why are you taking so long on the notes? Here's what to do. Joel and Gianna, move on to that great exercise. Come back to the notes because I don't want you all in them up.
Okay.
Legacy, what number you on? Legacy, what number you on?
I'm writing down the questions and then after that I'm gonna do the answers, but I'm on
No. Write the question, do the answer, please. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Good. And Lorenda, what number you on now?
Number 2.
Number 2. Where's Trinity? Trinity, are you there? I can't hear from Trinity.
Yes, sir.
Are you there?
Yes, sir.
I can't see, your camera's off. Turn your camera. Same thing with Kylie. Kylie, turn your camera as well.
Excuse me, Mr. T.
Mm-hmm.
I'm done with the notes that you sent in the chat.
Good. Perfect. So what I need you to do is I need you to start working on the exercise, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good.
I'm on number 2 now, Mr. Petit.
Number 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Trinity, what number you on?
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay. Adaya, do you understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
What is thrice?
What is thrice? Does anyone want to help her with that? What does thrice mean?
3 times.
Times.
Say it again.
3 times.
3 times. Very good. So if twice means 2 times, thrice must mean what?
3 times.
3 times. Good. Kylie, what number you on?
Number 2.
Number 2. Perfect. And Brayden, do you understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
Good. And Lorenda, what number you on?
Finished on the end of number 3.
Okay, good. And Madeline, what number you on?
I'm on number 2.
Number 2. Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm finished.
We're done. Okay, take a bit of your work and send it to me via WhatsApp.
Okay, can I go get my phone, please?
Mm-hmm. Braden, what number you on? Braden, what number you on?
Number 2.
Number 2, okay. Kylie, what number you on now?
I'm still on number 2.
So number 2. Okay. So Lorena, that's all of them, right? That's the random. I wonder if she gets it on me.
I think Lorenda went to go get her phone.
Okay.
I'm back now, Miss.
Okay, you can hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Can you
good.
say Miss Liberty?
Go ahead.
I'm on number 3.
Perfect. That's Kylie, right? I mean, not Kylie, man, y'all.
Trinity.
Trinity.
I write them down first and then answer them.
The best way is to write them down, then answer. I mean, write then answer. That's the best way. I keep on telling you that. For those who are finished with the first 3, please do the one that I have inside the chat. So Lorenda is finished, so I want you to do that. The second one I have in the chat, okay? Where's Lorenda? Lorenda, can you hear me? Oh no, she's still there.
Yes, sir.
You see it inside the chat? Can you open it?
I could see it, Mr. Petit.
Okay, good. I need you to do that for me.
Excuse me, Mr. Pasi.
Go ahead.
I'm on number.
Mr. Petit.
1 second. Go ahead, Kylie.
I'm on number 3.
Okay, perfect. And Adaya, what number you on?
I wanted to tell you that I was finished.
Okay. Take a picture of your work and send it to me, Adaya.
So
Gianna and Joel, how y'all doing?
I'm on number 3. I'm on
Number 3?
Sir.
Okay, perfect.
I finished when I sent you my work, Mr. Petit.
Who's that speaking?
It's legacy.
You finished? You said you finished legacy?
Yes, sir. And I sent you my work.
Okay, good. I see it. I see a legacy, Adaya, Madeline. Now the thing is, I need you all to move on to the second one once you finish with the first one.
Yes, sir. I started.
Brayden, you finished the first one?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Uh-huh.
I'm
No,
finished.
sir, I'm number 3.
You're number 3.
I'm finished.
Who's that speaking?
Trinity.
Did you send in your work, Trinity?
No, sir, I'm going to sign it now.
Okay, do that for me. Kylie, and Lorenda, turn on your camera. I don't know why y'all turn your camera off. Maya, what number you on?
Mr. Petit.
Yes.
I'm not finished yet, but I'm coming out the car
Okay, no
to
problem.
go inside so I can go my iPad.
No problem.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
On the second one, I don't understand why the cloud box there.
Oh, those are just, that's where you're gonna put the answer.
Okay, thank you.
It's not okay. It's either yes or no, so.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
Where's graded exercise?
You see it in the chat?
I don't know where it is. I don't know where the chat is.
You can't see the chat?
On my iPad. I don't know where it is.
You have to go on the, I gotta explain it. You have to go down, you should see it. Can you see where your mic is? Okay, so if you could unmute yourself, it should be right where your mic is. Look.
I see it. It's at the top corner. It says share contacts and participants and more.
Yeah, go on,
Okay.
go on more. See what that say.
I see it.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I can't send a picture right now.
Why is that?
My dad is doing something.
Are you done with the first three though?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So that means that everyone is finished with the first three. I can move this. Put the second one on the screen. Let me know if you have.
Yes, sir. I'm on number 3 on the next exercise, Mr. Petit.
Number 3 on the next one, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me see if Ada, you finished with this?
Susie Mr. Petit.
Yes, Maya.
I'm done.
You done? Okay, take a picture for and send it to me. Joel and Gianna, y'all finished with these? Joel and Gianna, are y'all done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take a picture.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. I
Go ahead.
can't open the photo.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on this on the screen right now. So for the second one, we have different shapes that we have defined the perimeter for. Let me put this here. And I'm gonna put the rest on the screen as well, since everyone is finished. I think everyone is finished. Kylie, you finished with the first one?
No, sir.
Or you wasn't finished? What number you on? Number 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that means it's good. That's it right there, Braden. All right. Lorenda, what number you on? Maya, are you doing the second one?
Number 7. I'm in number.
I'm
Alright.
done.
Are you doing the second one? Typos?
I'm done.
You done with these 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's what you mean when you say you finish. Okay, let me put the next one.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I'm finished.
You finished as well? Good. I'm gonna put the last 4 in the chat and then we are going to go ahead and answer these. So the last 4 I posted inside the chat. Again, the last 4 I post inside the chat.
Some
Excuse me, Miss Petit.
All right. Maya, what number you on? Where's Maya?
Yes, sir.
What number you on?
I'm sending in my work to you.
Adaya, what number you on?
I'm answering number 4.
Before on the second one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead, Kylie.
I'm finished.
With what? The first three?
Yes, sir.
Take a picture of that and send it to me, Kylie.
Yes, sir. Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
Can I get my mouth please?
Your mother's phone? Yeah, you could
Yes,
do that.
sir.
All right, I saw your work, Adaya. Trinity, I can't see you. Please turn your camera. Joel and Gianna, what number y'all on?
I'm on number 2 on the second one.
Same.
Number 2 on the second one.
Yes, sir.
All right. Legacy, you understand what you're doing?
Yes, sir.
What number you
I'm
on?
on number 4.
Number 4. Okay. Madeline, how about you? What number you on?
Well, actually, I'm finished with number 4. I'm going on to the next one now.
Madeline, what number you on?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
1 second. Madeline, what number you on?
I'm on number 5.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm done with the second one.
Okay, the first 4. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Let me put the next one in the chat. Not in the chat, on the screen, so you can have that as well.
Excuse me, Mr. Boutique.
Yes.
I'm finished.
That's Trinity or Kylie?
Trinity.
Okay, that's what we finished. What number you on? What number you was the last number you on?
8.
8? Okay, good. Take a picture of that and send that to me.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Mr.
Yes.
I have to go to my brother's house to do my class, so I have to search Wi-Fi real quick.
No problem. Madeline, you say you're number 5 or 6?
I'm on number 6 now.
Okay. Trinity. 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 Why you didn't draw the shape? Trinity, you have to draw the shape for these, and you know better than that, man. Yesterday we drew the shape. You have to draw the shape. Where's Trinity?
Yeah.
You have to draw the shapes. You can't just send them in like that. You understand me? So make sure I draw them.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And then we send it. How you think you have them and you have the shapes? Come on. Maya, what number you on?
I'm on the last one.
Number 8?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, thank you, Braden. Good.
This is Mr. Potato.
Mm-hmm.
I'm on number 2.
Number 2 on the second one, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Legacy, what number you on?
I'm on number 5.
Number 5, okay. Number 5 is good. And Braden, what number you on now?
I'm on number 6.
Okay, the new ones, okay. Gianna, stop playing with that thing. Maya, you say you finished?
Yes, sir.
And you sent in all the work?
Yes, sir.
All right. Remember the last question from yesterday?
Excuse me, Mr. Potato.
Yes, Lorendo.
I at my brother's house and there's a lot of people in here, so I can't cut on my camera. But
That's fine. What her name is? Maya.
You mean the advanced questions?
Yeah, this one. There's a we had to redo this because the answer was not correct. You have to add, you see this, right? You see this point right now?
Yeah, what happened last night is when I added it up,
Yeah,
I added that piece and I thought I was wrong.
yeah, this was supposed to be 5.5. And more than that, I just realized we didn't even do this side either.
I did not realize that.
Yeah, we didn't even do the side. So this side was supposed to be, what is 6 plus 6.8 plus 6.8? That's gonna be what? 6.8 plus 6.8, 16.6.
excuse me, Mr. Potato.
1 second. So 16.6. That don't make no sense. 6.8 times 2, or 13.6. Good. So this is gonna be 16 minus 13.6. So this side is actually 2.4. So Maya, I need you to add up all this and then get the correct perimeter. All right. So yeah, so we're not only supposed to do the 5.5, but also the 2.4. I didn't even see that. So 2.4 and the 5.5.
Should I do number 6 or should I do the extra question?
No. This is for Maya since she finished. Go ahead and do number 6. Let me put it back on the screen. And good. So Maya, redo that, please. I posted inside the chat for you. Do you hear me, Maya?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. Trinity, what number you on now?
I'm on. No, I'm done.
Finish. Okay, you did all the way up to number 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I just joined
You
the
just drawing the
shape.
shapes. Okay. Okay, good.
Mr. Boutique. So do the one on the other side of the original photo post in the chat.
Say it again.
Do the other ones on the side of the original photo which you post in the chat.
Yeah, it's on the screen too. So if you need it, it's also on the
Oh, yeah.
screen. Yeah.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Go ahead.
I'm on number 5.
Perfect. That's good.
Hey, Gianna.
Mr. Petit, I'm done drawing the shapes.
I'm on number 7, Mr. Petit.
Number 7 looks good. That's fine. Lorenda, what number you on now?
On number 7.
And Madeline, what number you on at this point?
I'm on number 9.
Number 9. Okay, that's fine. Good.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes.
I'm done.
All right, take a picture of it and send it to me. Us all 8, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, good.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit, I don't know how to draw number 7.
Say it again.
I do not know how to draw number 7.
Number 7, just do your best. Just do it your best.
So,
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes,
I'm finished.
that's a dia, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we have to go over the answers to these. And then we can leave.
Okay, so you want me to send you the picture of
Yes,
it?
yeah, send it, send it.
Excuse me, Mr. Petit. Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Hello?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Uh-huh.
I'm done with the advanced question.
You're done with it, right? Okay, so no problem. All right, so let's go ahead and answer these questions. So for this one, we're going to take 7 feet, and this is also what? 7 feet as well. And then the top part is what? 14 times 2 is, 7 times 2 is 14. So this is also 14.
I'm done with the exercise, Mr. Petit.
All right, good.
I mean, with the,
And you're working. And then when you add them all up for the perimeter, what do you have for your answer? Number one.
18 feet.
For your answer for number one?
Yes, sir.
18 feet? No, it can't be 18 feet.
Oh,
Who's that speaking? Adaya?
yes, sir.
How you get 18?
Oh, I read in the wrong question.
Okay.
Mr. Petit.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
I got 42.
42, yeah. 42 is correct. Anyone else got 42 feet?
I got 12 inches.
No, this is the great exercise number one. This is the very first one.
Oh, sorry. I got 40. Yes, I got 40.
40 what?
I got 42.
42.
I got 42.
Very good. 42. Good. Go ahead.
If you get it right, pen.
Say it again. Say it again.
Can I get my pen?
Yes, we can. Take it if you got it right. Number 2. What y'all got for number 2 for this one? 6 feet.
For number 2, I got 36 feet.
48 feet.
36
48
feet.
feet. So this is 6 feet, 6 feet. Go ahead.
When I was adding up the number one, I missed some put instead of 7. For the 2, I accidentally put, for the 14, I accidentally put 2. So that's how I get 18.
Oh, okay, okay. So 6 feet, 6 feet, and then it's gonna be what? So 12 feet, right? And it's also 12 feet. And so this is gonna be what? What y'all have for number 2?
I got
48.
Number 2?
I got
Yes.
36.
Number 2. Remember?
I got 48 for number 2.
That's
I got
true.
24.
We multiply it by 3, right? We multiply it by 3.
Yes, sir.
So it's gonna be 3.
I
So,
thought you both.
This is 18.
Excuse me,
Say it again.
Mr.
6
I thought you supposed
is
to add every one by 2.
No, it says the length of the garden is thrice its width. So it's gonna be 3 times 6, which is what? 18, right?
18.
I got all them wrong. Sorry.
And
I mean,
it's
not the first one, but I got.
the other one. And then it's gonna be 3 times 8, which is gonna be what? 18.
3 times 8.
3 times 6. All right. So then we have to add what? 6 plus 18 plus 6 plus 18. So it's gonna be
6
what?
plus 6 is
It's gonna be 18. What y'all got for number 2? Supposed to be 48 feet. Anyone else got 48 feet for number 2?
I did.
I got 48 feet for number 2.
Excellent. That's really good.
Mr. Petit,
Yes.
I didn't read it properly, so I did all of them.
As twice?
Yes, sir.
No. Please make the correction. Make the correction. Make the correction for those who didn't make who did it wrong. So it's gonna be what? It's a quadruple, right? Quadruple the width. So quadruple the width is gonna be what? 4 times what?
4
5. Just
4
20.
times 5.
20.
4 times 5 is what?
20.
20. 20.
I got 50 for this one.
What,
Number
50?
3.
So if this is 20, that's 20. And 5 plus 5, so it's going to be what? 5 and 5 and 20 and 20. What you got for your answer?
50.
50. Very good.
We got 52.
If you got it right, please put a tick. Again, if you got it right, please put a tick for me. Anyone got all 3 right?
I did.
I did.
Maya.
I did.
Madeline, did you get all 3 right?
Oh God.
Yes, sir.
Good. Anyone got 1 wrong?
I got 1 wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyone got 2 wrong?
I got 2 wrong.
Oh,
I
okay.
got 1 wrong.
All right. So make the correction for me, please. For those who got them wrong. Okay, let's move on to these ones. This one should be easy. Should be. So let's go ahead and answer them. So put this on the side. And let's do this on another page. Oh wow, it's almost time to go. Let's quickly do these. So for number 1, I'm going to tell you the answer.
I got 12 feet for 12 centimeters for number 1.
I got 12 too.
So I'm gonna tell you the answers, and you're gonna let me know if you got it. Number 1 is 12 centimeters. Y'all got that? Number
I got
Yes, sir.
that.
1 is 12
I
centimeters.
got it. I got it.
Number 2 is 36 yards.
I got that.
Got
I
that?
got it.
Number
got
3 is
I
21
got
feet.
that.
I got it.
Number 3 is
got
21
that.
feet.
I got
Number
it.
I
4,
got that.
number
got
4 is 48
I got
inches.
that.
48 inches.
I got that.
I got that.
Number, number
Wait.
5 is 27 meters.
I got that.
Number 6 is 16 yards.
I got it.
Number 7
got
is 20 centimeters. And then
I
number
got
8
that.
is 26 feet. All right.
I got
So
all right.
you got all that right? All 8 of the 8?
All 8.
All right. Excellent. Anyone else got all right? Like Brayden?
Excuse me, Mr. Petit.
Yes, Madeline.
What was the answer to number 2?
Number 2 was 36 yards. You got that?
Yes, sir.
Good. Anyone got all right for the second one? Anyone got all
I
right?
did.
I got all right.
Very
We
good.
got all right. We did.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right, so it's our time to go. So we're going to see each other when tomorrow. Live last. All right, have a wonderful evening, everyone. Take care. Bye bye.
You
Bye
do too, Mr. Petit. Bye.
bye.
Bye,
Take
Mr.
care.
Bye, Mr.
Thank you for
Good night.
teaching
Good
us.
night. Thank you as well. All right.